Brought out the Rifle Supply C10ERA collab AR-15. We also got the G19 Rifle Supply C10ERA collab, and we got the new MP Shield coated by Rifle Supply as well.
I got my AR-15 built by Rifle Supply in burnt bronze. Can't wait to unload on this bad boy.
Today I brought out my second generation Glock 17, and I bought out my P80 19.
Brought out my newly built AR-15 Strike Industries no lower. I brought out my old school Yugoslavian SKS Glock 19 custom slide.
Brought out a fancy G17, a G19, AR9, and an AR-15.
I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. It's hard to all I know. So unreal. Watch you
All right, so we had a fun day of shooting. I want to thank Mike Raahauge for letting us come out, shoot some film. So don't forget, this Monday, 10 a.m., our Rifle Supply C10ERA launch is in store and online. If you're local, Huntington Beach, California, Rifle Supply, they're the ones. Grand opening also on Monday, 10 a.m. You'll be able to get this shirt in person. And of course, if you're worldwide, hit up our website, C10ERA.com for the release.